Let's go do some treasure hunting at the Goodwill outlet bins. These look like some little handmade ceramic napkin rings. But since they're Christmas trees, it looks like it has some chips. Is that chips or is it part of it? Yeah, that's definitely some chips. So I think I'm gonna leave those here. Looks like they got a whole bin of Christmas stuff. What is this? Oh, I think it's one of those things you put your arms in the winter time. Don't need that. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, y'all. Look at this. That is so cute. It's white and I don't see any stains on it. Oh wait, there's one right there. Hopefully I can get that out. Oh my gosh. How awesome would that be if there was a whole bin of those? I love that. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's a little angel. Look, her little face, and she's made out of a vintage quilt. That is super cute. I like that idea too. I don't know if I've seen that before. Here's a little Christmas kitty. I think I'm gonna grab this for Ren. She likes these little lifelike animals, and it has a little Christmas scarf on it. I guess they are bringing out the Christmas stuff. Oh, I saw these the other day at the Goodwill. Ooh, I love this pattern. It has some cracks in it. Ironstone. I'm not going to sell this because of that crack right there, but it has beautiful crazing in it. I think I'm going to get this for myself. I love that. I have this horse right here. Oh, it's heavy. Look at the face. What's going on with the mouth? Also, it's missing some legs. It says made in the Philippines. Is this an older piece? Should I get it even though it's cracked right here and it's missing the back legs? I don't know. What y'all think? Should I rescue this piece? More Christmas stuff in this bin. Oh, that's a toy. Canisters. If there's any good vintage ones. So these all look newer. This is a wood piece. It has felt on the bottom, so it's some kind of a riser. I definitely can use this for something, so I'm gonna get it and put it in my DIY stash. Here's some more plates right here. They have a blue pattern on them. This is, I don't know, it says made in Italy. These are so pretty, and they have a whole set of them. Okay, I might have to Google and see. This is cute. Ooh, ironstone. I'm getting that. Love that. Look at this piece right here. It's cracked right there. No markings on the bottom. I see some ceramic praying hands. Glossy white. I don't see any imperfections on here. Looks like an older piece. These are definitely going in the cart. All right, I looked these up and they are pretty good, nice plates, but I just don't know if I want to resell them. Shipping plates is just a whole thing, so I'm gonna leave them here at the moment and think about them while I shop. And if somebody else takes them, they take them. If they're still here and decide to get them, then I will grab them. I spy some baskets. Ooh, love these. Y'all know I do. And the color is perfection. There's 4 of them. Totally getting those. Oh wait, there's 5 of them. Wow. The color is so good on this one. I actually have one almost exactly like this in my little breakfast nook, and I have a little wreath in the middle. I'll put a picture on the screen so y'all can see what I'm talking about. These are perfect. Somebody looks like they used it as a tray. Can be used as that, or they're great to hang on the wall because they're not, you know, too thick. They don't stick out too much. So I'm getting all of these. Look how good baskets look with glossy white ceramic pieces. All right, I love when I find stuff for my house. I actually need some of these file folders. I think I'm gonna get all the purple ones because I don't have the color purple and I like to, you know, color coordinate everything. Here's a pretty little teapot with some flowers on it. I really like this. It does need to be clean, but I don't see any chips on it. It is missing the lid, but that's not really a big deal because I would just stick flowers or some wooden utensils in it. Royal Kent, made in England. I like it. I'm gonna get it. And again, look how good this looks with baskets. They have this china that was next to the teapot, but not really my style. I'm gonna leave this set here. This box says old doorknobs. I'm gonna take it down so we can look at it. Unfortunately, it's not the good kind of old doorknobs that we like. Look at this cute little chair. I love the dark aged brown. It's only $2, y'all. $2, $1.99 for this adorable little chair. Okay, what is this? It's a bag of something. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's little rabbits. That's adorable. Oh, some little hearts. Here's a bigger little floppy ear rabbit. And some more hearts. All right, I'm definitely getting all of these. I don't know what this is. And look how good this plaid looks with baskets. All right, they just rolled out a new bin, and this bag was in there. Everything's still wrapped up, so I didn't open it without y'all. Figured we would open it together. I hope it's something good. It's probably not, but okay. A little ceramic pumpkin. This might be some fall stuff is what I'm thinking. Open up. It's hard to do it one-handed. I think it's another ceramic pumpkin. It is. I wonder if they're all the same color. All right, I'm gonna open one more. If it's the same thing, then I'm not gonna open the rest on camera. Yep, they're all these kind of plum colored ceramic pumpkins. They were $3.99 at Hobby Lobby. Yep, they were all of these purple pumpkins. I'm gonna leave them right here, and somebody is definitely gonna scoop these up. I just found these bed covers. They're actually from Pillow Fort. I love Target's bedding, and we have a room at the camp that we had set up for my oldest, and it ended up turning into Ren's room, so it's decorated all boy. So I'm gonna get these for her. I want one to put on the bed and then one to kind of have just as a blanket. So these are so cute. Look at the little tiny ladybugs. I love them. She's really gonna like this, and I like the color on the other side. Oh, I could put one this way and then kind of use this as a decorative blanket on the bed. That is what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, I think that's gonna be it for today's shopping adventure. They're gonna be closing soon, so I need to go check out, but I am very excited about the things that I got today. All of these glossy white ceramic pieces, cute little teapot, baskets, and these were just such a good find. I think I'm gonna put a little ribbon around their neck. And then also the blankets for Ren. So y'all, leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite item that I found today. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent for all of these. Those will probably be a little bit more because the clothing and blankets are paid by the pound. But I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.